Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to your Trello workspace. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and invite a team member to your Trello workspace. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first thing that you're going to do is hop onto Trello. Then on the left-hand side, you want to click on the drop-down menu for your workspace. Next, click on Members, and then you want to click on Invite Workspace Members. So there's two ways you can invite someone. You can manually type in their email address here. So if I type in an email address here and then click on Create Link, you now can go ahead and send someone this invite link so that they can join you on Trello. Now with the invite link, it basically makes it so that you manually send them an invite. And with that link, they'll be able to join your workspace board on Trello. Now, I don't know the reason why you can't just manually send an invite link. So for example, if I type in an individual's email right over here, and then click on here, you can click on send invite. And with that send invite link, it'll actually send them an invite to their email so that they can check on the invite from there as well. So those are the two ways that you can go ahead and invite someone to your Trello workspace board. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.